In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive. So if you're running short on storage or just want to tidy up, you're in the right place. Let's get started and walk through this process together step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by simply typing Google Drive in the search bar, or if you're already logged in, just go directly to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a dashboard of all your stored files and folders. Next, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the sidebar menu. Here you'll see various options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and of course, Storage. Go ahead and click on the Storage tab. This section gives you a breakdown of all the files occupying space in your Google Drive, allowing you to manage them effectively. After clicking on Storage, take a glance at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a little folder icon labeled Backups. Now this is where all the backups for various apps linked to your Google account are stored, including your precious WhatsApp chats. Click on the Backups folder and watch as a list of backups tied to your Google account emerges. Now you should be able to see your WhatsApp backup amongst other items in this list. Click on the WhatsApp backup. A new window will pop up revealing some details about this particular backup, such as when it was last updated and the size it's occupying on your drive. This window is crucial if you're cross-checking which backup to delete. And finally, to remove this backup, locate the delete icon. Usually it looks like a small trash can and is positioned towards the upper right of the screen. Click on this delete icon. A prompt will likely pop up, asking you to confirm if you're sure about deleting this backup permanently. If you are, go ahead and confirm. Remember, doing this does not delete any of your local WhatsApp messages from your phone. It only clears the cloud backup on Google Drive. And just like that, you've successfully deleted your WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive. This simple process can save you precious storage space and helps you keep your Google Drive organized. For those who regularly back up multiple apps, it's always a good idea to periodically clean up old backups you no longer need. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.